What is facilitated play, and can it help kids learn? Let's talk about it.
Welcome to Neurodiversopedia, where we explain all those big, complicated words pertaining to neurodiversity in ways that everybody can understand.
Facilitated play is when a parent or caregiver sits down with a kiddo, they're playing with cars or toys, and the parent is explaining what's happening using language that you're trying to teach the child. Let me break it down for you. Here's an example. Let's say you're sitting down with your kiddo and you're playing with the dolls, and you're going from the Barbie doll house to another location. If there's a specific word that you're teaching, like maybe travel or car or go, you can sit down with the child, take the doll, and explain what's going on and look and say, hey, we're going to go to the doctor's office, or we're going to go to the beach. And repeat the key word over and over throughout the play. So it's interactive, you're playing with your kiddo, but you're emphasizing certain language so that they hear it and understand it. Another thing you can do is encourage conversation that actually helps them practice using the word themselves. So wait for their response, ask them where we're going to, and then leave a sentence blank, let them fill in the word. It's basically integrating a lot of speech therapy practices in the home as you're playing. Can facilitated play help kids with special needs? Yeah, absolutely. It's a great way to implement what they're learning in therapy in the house, and it's just fun. What kind of activities can you use facilitated play with? Well, it could be anything. Puzzles, dolls, cars. It could even be playing outside. Yes, that means sometimes you have to get on the jungle gym with your kids. How often should you practice facilitated play? You can do it as often as you think is necessary to help teach a skill, but the more you practice, the better it's going to be.
Did that help you understand the term? If yes, give us a thumbs up or subscribe below. If it didn't, then leave us a comment and tell us why. What are we missing? We always want to do better. This is a project by Goalie. Check us out at getgoalie.com.